Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 6th of September, 2023. Here to talk about Solana today because Visa has chosen to utilize Solana's blockchain for its payments. Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? We're going to look at the chart because you guys can see already that the market did not take that as well as what many may suppose, which could show you why paying attention to the news doesn't harness where price is going to move. All right. But first, let's go to this article right here. Well, it's not an article. It's actually a press release from Visa itself. This is Visa's website. And you guys can see Visa expands stablecoin settlement capabilities to merchant acquirers. All right. So look down here. As Visa looked to expand its capability to additional clients, there has been significant demand to leverage newer, high performance blockchains that can send and receive stablecoins with higher speed and lower costs. For these reasons, Visa has chosen to add support for Solana as a high-performance blockchain that its partners can choose to send and receive USDC settlement payments. This makes Visa one of the first major payments companies at scale to directly utilize Solana for live settlement payments between its clients. The Solana blockchain sees around 400 milliseconds block times, averages 400 transactions per second, and typically surges to more than 2,000 transactions per second across a variety of use cases during periods of peak demand. That's kudos to Solana's camp though. Like, that's great that a major payment processor has utilized their blockchain outside of the hundreds of thousands of other cryptocurrencies out here trying to do the same thing. Visa chose Solana. Now you might think that might blow your mind. Like, that's ecstatic. That's exciting news. The market in Solana should be up 45% right now because Visa chose to utilize them. But then when you look at the chart, it doesn't reveal that. The market in Solana is still trending down. This press release came out yesterday, right? And you guys can see on yesterday's trading, the market only ended up 3.79% off of this news. See, news don't move price. It's people. It's algorithms. It's the ones who hit the buy and those who hit the sell that moves price. So obviously the overall market didn't take what that press release is actually trying to entail. You can only read from your opinion as to how much that news or that press release is worth. To you, it may be worth 10% increase in price. To someone else, it might be only worth 2% increase in price. To somebody else, to the third person, it might be less. It might be down 5% of what it's actually worth. Now, when you look at my chart, I had a price prediction looking for Solana to go up, right? And this price prediction was on the chart since this day, August the 19th. Okay. I did a follow-on video in Solana on the 23rd of August. Okay. And this is where the market was in Solana. And needless to say, we gave the market opportunity to convince us that it's bullish. And each time following the 23rd of August, I wanted to show you that the market in Solana, it attempted. And that's the only thing we can get out the market is all a game of probabilities. And we gave the market opportunity to convince us that it was bullish, that it wanted to go up, and it failed on the 24th of August. Price came down from our break-even point, and then the market in Solana tried again right here on the 29th of August to break up higher. What happened on that particular go around? Market came back down again, and since that day, the 30th of August, the market in Solana is still going lower. So this price prediction did not fare well. It did not work out. And we pay attention to what the market is actually saying. And it's saying that it's not bullish yet. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction right here. If we were to get out the market now, we'd be down around 10.25%. Those things happen, and it will always happen because you're only human. We're only creating price predictions off of probabilistic moves. Now, we're not out the woods yet to not see Solana go higher. Like, zooming out this chart, we're at a very strong support area. So we can still see the market in Solana trend up higher from here. But maybe if we see this on the monthly chart, we might not have that, right? This is the month of August right here. And that looks bearish on top of the weakness and the selling that came in July. So this support area is going to be tested. And I hope the buyers in the market in Solana are ready to continually buy because the overall market sold on last month. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Pretty much looks the same as the monthly chart. So from a 5-weekly chart, this could be a probable area to where we can see the market in Solana come to. Okay, so I'm gonna just put that down there. Since we're already anticipating, we can already see that the market in Solana is not bullish yet. Here it is on the 3 weeks. At the conclusion of this week, this trading week, if the market in Solana still looks the way that it looks right now, you just can tell that there's no interest, there's no demand coming through into the market right now in Solana. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay, and I'm going to show you the next area that the market in Solana needs to hold. These are all my targets that I'm going to look forward to, since we still can tell that price is weak. Here's Solana on the weekly chart. Okay, take a look at Solana on the 5. This 5-day price bar here confirms the weakness still. Okay, here it is on the 3. Take a look at Solana on the 2 and now. Okay, so as of right now, we're going to place some weakness into the market in Solana. These are my 3 targets. My first one's going to be relatively close to where the market overall came through and held support. It's going to be here. It's my first target right there around $19.20, give or take. Let me cut this line out the way, even though I know it's a strong area of support. Let me get this out the way. We're going to clean this up a little bit. We're going to follow the overall trend into the market in Solana. It's going down. All right, cool. And let's go ahead and put these 3 targets on. And this first target, like I said, is here around $19.20. That's 3.13% there. My second target is going to be around $18.50, 6.52%. And then my third target in Solana will take us all the way down here to like $15.75, 20.35% move to the downside there. All right. So now, as long as the market in Solana continues to trade below our trend line, we already know the overall easiest place for price to move is down. All right, so we're just going to hold this downtrend line in Solana. We have our price prediction there on the chart, and now it's your turn. Tell me your perception as to why do you think this information, this press release, did not move price substantially on yesterday's trading action. Why is the market in Solana still trending to the downside off that press release? And give me your targets, give me your expectations. Is there anything that you're seeing on the chart that I didn't speak on that will make it seem as if the market is becoming more bullish? Give me your thoughts. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.